Let Garmin show you how to enable the smart notifications on your compatible chart plotter from the Active Captain app. For this process, you will need a chart plotter compatible with Active Captain smart notifications and a compatible smartphone or tablet. We will be using a compatible Apple iPhone, but the process is similar with compatible Apple iPads and Android smartphones and tablets. Smart notifications are an easy way for you to receive phone or tablet notifications on your chart plotter. This can be helpful when your compatible smartphone or tablet is not accessible, but still connected to the chart plotter via Bluetooth. First, download the Active Captain app. Open the Active Captain app once the download is complete. Read and agree to the EULA and then select Continue. Then, sign in or create an account. For this video, we will create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts. Ensure your Chartplotter's Wi-Fi is turned on. You can skip to the next step if your Wi-Fi network has already been created. Select the Home button. Then select Vessel, Active Captain, and then Wi-Fi network. Toggle Wi-Fi on. Select OK. Now name your Wi-Fi network. Make sure the name is not similar to any other Wi-Fi networks in the area. Next, create a password. Enter at least 8 characters using upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. For additional security, use at least 12 characters. Navigate back to the Active Captain page on your compatible chart plotter. It is now time to connect your compatible smartphone or tablet to the Chartplotter's Wi-Fi network. Open Settings. Then select Wi-Fi. Locate and select the Chartplotter Wi-Fi. Enter the password, then select Join. Also, enable Bluetooth on your compatible smartphone or tablet. Navigate back to the Active Captain app on your compatible smartphone. Select Sync with Plotter. Then select Pair Device under Smart Notifications. We will now need to enable Smart Notifications on the chart plotter. Select Smart Notifications on the Active Captain page. Toggle Smart Notifications on. Select Continue on your compatible smartphone. Select Search for Chartplotter. A pop-up displaying the Chartplotter model name will appear. Select OK. A code will display on the chart plotter. Enter this code on your compatible smartphone and then select Pair. Select Allow Notifications on your smartphone. Select OK on the chart plotter. Then select Done. You will now receive smart notifications to your chart plotter from your compatible smartphone. Select Review to show the notification, or OK to dismiss the notification. The available actions depend on the type of notification and your smartphone or tablet's operating system. Select Answer to answer a phone call on your chart plotter. Select Decline to decline the phone call. You can also end the call from your chart plotter. Smart notification settings can be adjusted from the Active Captain page on the chart plotter. Here, you can enable or disable smart notifications. You can also turn the pop-ups on or off. Turning the pop-ups off will still allow notifications to be received, but will need to be reviewed under Conversations. Select a notification, then select View Conversation. Here you will see the full notification. You can clear or delete the notification. Visibility can be toggled on and off if you wish to disable smart notifications from popping up or showing in the conversations list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.